Oh, you speak Indonesian already? Oh yeah.
Speak French too.
So, Mr. Kitabi back.
Oh yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Alex, Pastor.
Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Jordi.
Apa stay di sini ya? Kalau nggak maju-maju
Physiotherapist.
merek ini.
Paper camper. Reggie Klinker.
Dr. Alkan, Pak.
Bukan? Good. Good tape, Major.
With Versat Painting. Yeah.
How are you? Martin. Baik. You? Good. Thank you.
Captain.
Okay, good. Where you originally from? Where is he originally from?
He's from Holland.
Where you tinggal di mana? Ya, Belanda. Semangat. Bisa bahasa Indonesia sudah. Bagus.
Bisa.